How to customize AI characters in Cici. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this two-line icon. Simply tap on this two-line icon, and here there's a section called Discover Bots. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can customize and find new characters. Here, you can even directly search for the one that you're looking, or if you slowly scroll down, you'll be able to find different ones. Now, in order to add them, here on the right, simply tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, it has been added. Later, you can have different conversations and chat with the same bots and characters. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.